In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a notebook in OneNote. If you've ever had trouble locating a notebook inside the OneNote desktop app, this is a very simple process once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. To get started, open OneNote on your desktop and make sure the app is running normally. You'll want to begin from any notebook that is already open in the desktop version of OneNote. This is important because the option you need is easiest to access from inside the app itself. If OneNote takes a moment to load, just give it a few seconds until everything is visible and ready. Once your notebook is missing, move your attention to the top left corner of the OneNote window. There, click on File. This takes you away from the main note-taking view and opens the app's navigation area where you can manage notebooks and other settings. If you're new to OneNote, this section may look a little different from the regular editing screen, so don't worry if the layout changes. That's exactly where you need to be. After clicking File, look to the panel on the left side of the screen and select Open. This is the section where OneNote shows notebooks that are available for you to access. In other words, this is where you go when you need to find a notebook you've used before or open one that is connected to your account or device. When you click Open, take a moment to review the notebooks listed there. Depending on how your OneNote is set up, you may see recently opened notebooks, shared notebooks, or notebooks stored in connected locations. If you don't immediately spot the one you need, slow down and scan the list carefully, since notebook names can sometimes be similar. A helpful tip is to make sure you are signed into the correct account in OneNote, especially if you use more than one account for work, school, or personal notes. If the notebook isn't showing up, it may be tied to a different account than the one currently active in the app. And that's all it takes to find a notebook in OneNote. Open the desktop app, click File in the top left corner, and then choose Open from the left side panel to view available notebooks. It's a quick path once you know where to go, and it can save time whenever you need to locate notes fast.